Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the yen pairs are kind of continuing to be very sideways price action for quite some time. To me, this one, two, three-way pullback really sticks out. Makes me think that this is going to still continue up, at least for now. It all looks extremely corrective, so this might actually end up being some sort of an ABC. We'll have to keep an eye on it just to find out. But yeah, it is really corrective looking. And I definitely would be leaning towards longs because right now the market is kind of telling you to look for longs. We have an ABC pullback possibly, and if that's true, it should take out the high of wave A. So we should potentially continue to look for longs, just more than likely, probably not swing trades, more than likely just day trades where we kind of, just try to get these little waves, try to get in and get out. Probably the better scenario because until these things actually start to trend more on the higher time frames, day trading the waves is probably the way to go. So definitely looking for logs at the end of any pullbacks I see still, potentially an ABC correction. Hopefully it turns into a wave three like I've been saying in my videos and turns into a wave three of wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.